Gaming is huge, bigger than ever. And with that growth comes demand for serious hardware. Laptops are great, but for raw power, nothing beats a desktop. The HP Omen 30L is one such contender, promising high-end performance for serious gamers. But does it deliver? Let's find out. First look, the Omen 30L is sleek. It's got that gamer aesthetic without being too over the top. The tempered glass side panel shows off the internal components, which is always a plus. Build quality feels solid, with no flimsy parts or creaking. Overall, a well-designed and sturdy machine. Now the good stuff. Let's dive into the heart of this machine and see what makes it tick. My review unit came with an Intel Core i9 processor, which is one of the top-tier CPUs available in the market today. This processor is known for its exceptional performance, especially when it comes to handling demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, and 3D rendering. The Intel Core i9 is built on the latest architecture, ensuring that it can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Paired with this powerhouse of a processor is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. This GPU is a game-changer, literally. It's designed to deliver stunning visuals and smooth gameplay, even in the most graphically intensive games. The RTX 3080 comes with advanced features like real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics, which take your gaming experience to the next level. Whether you're playing the latest AA titles or diving into virtual reality, this graphics card ensures that everything runs flawlessly. During my testing, I threw some of the most demanding games at this setup, and it handled them with ease. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Assassin's Creed Valhalla ran smoothly at high resolutions and maximum settings. There were no noticeable frame drops or stuttering, even during intense action scenes. The combination of the Intel Core i9 and the RTX 3080 ensures that you get the best possible performance, no matter what you're playing. The Omen 30L is a beast when it comes to raw power. It's not just about gaming. This desktop can handle any task you throw at it. Whether you're streaming, creating content, or multitasking with several applications open, the Omen 30L delivers consistent and reliable performance. The build quality is top-notch, with a sleek design that features customizable RGB lighting, adding a touch of personal flair to your setup. Overall, the Omen 30L is a powerhouse that offers exceptional performance and versatility, making it a great choice for gamers and power users alike. Gaming generates heat. The Omen 30L handles this well. It has a well-designed cooling system with multiple fans. Even under heavy load, temperatures remained within acceptable limits. This ensures consistent performance and prevents thermal throttling. Section 5. Sound matters, noise levels. Nobody wants a jet engine on their desk. The Omen 30L is surprisingly quiet, even when gaming. The fans do ramp up under load, but it's not overly loud. Overall, the noise levels are acceptable and won't be a distraction. Section 6. The competition, sizing up the Omen 30L. The Omen 30L is HP's flagship gaming desktop, designed to cater to both casual and hardcore gamers. But in a market saturated with high-performance machines, how does it truly measure up? The gaming PC market is crowded. With brands like Alienware, Asus, and MSI constantly pushing the envelope, the competition is fierce. Each brand offers unique features, making it challenging for consumers to decide which one to invest in. How does the Omen 30L stack up? When we look at its specifications, the Omen 30L boasts impressive hardware. Equipped with the latest Intel or AMD processors, high-end NVIDIA or AMD graphics cards, and ample RAM, it promises a seamless gaming experience. It holds its own against competitors in the same price range. Priced competitively, the Omen 30L offers value for money. It provides similar, if not better, performance compared to other gaming desktops in its category. Performance is on par with similarly spec'd machines. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or engaging in VR gaming, the Omen 30L delivers smooth and lag-free gameplay. Its cooling system ensures that the machine remains at optimal temperatures, even during intense gaming sessions. The design and build quality are also competitive. The Omen 30L features a sleek, modern design with customizable RGB lighting, making it a visually appealing addition to any gaming setup. Its sturdy build ensures durability, while the tool-less access to the internals makes upgrades and maintenance a breeze. Additionally, the Omen 30L comes with a range of ports and connectivity options including USB-C, multiple USB-A ports, and HDMI, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and accessories. Whether you're a streamer, content creator, or just a gaming enthusiast, the Omen 30L is versatile enough to meet your needs. Its robust performance, combined with its aesthetic appeal, makes it a strong contender in the gaming PC market. In conclusion, the Omen 30L is a well-rounded gaming desktop that offers a balance of performance, design, and value. While the market is crowded, the Omen 30L stands out with its impressive specs and thoughtful design, making it a worthy investment for any gamer. Section 7. Real-world gaming my experience. I put the Omen 30L through its paces. Played hours of Cyberpunk 2077, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Microsoft Flight Simulator. The experience was smooth, immersive, and lag-free. The Omen 30L delivers on its promise of high-end gaming performance. Section 8. The good, the bad, and the Omen 30L. No product is perfect. The Omen 30L is a great machine, but it has some drawbacks. The good excellent performance, sleek design, good thermal management. The bad could be more port options and the price is a bit high. Section 9. Upgrade potential future-proofing your rig. Upgradability is important for longevity. The Omen 30L has a fairly standard design, making it easy to upgrade components. This means you can keep the machine relevant for years to come by swapping out parts. Section 10. The price of power, value proposition. The Omen 30L isn't cheap, but you get what you pay for: top-tier performance, solid build quality, and a premium design. The value proposition is good, especially if you prioritize performance and aesthetics. Section 11. Final verdict: to buy or not to buy. That is the question many gamers face when considering a new gaming PC. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to make a decision. Today, we will help you navigate through this dilemma by focusing on one of the top contenders in the gaming PC world. The HP Omen 30L is a great gaming PC. This machine has been designed with gamers in mind, offering a combination of powerful hardware and sleek aesthetics. But what makes it stand out in a crowded market? It delivers on its promises: powerful performance, sleek looks, and a good user experience. The Omen 30L is equipped with the latest processors and graphics cards, ensuring that you can run the most demanding games without any hiccups. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or immersive RPGs, this PC has got you covered. The design of the Omen 30L is another highlight. It features a sleek modern look that will fit seamlessly into any gaming setup. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personal touch, allowing you to match the PC's appearance to your gaming environment. But it's not just about looks. The design also ensures efficient cooling, keeping your system running smoothly even during intense gaming sessions. If you're in the market for a high-end gaming machine, the Omen 30L should definitely be on your radar. It's not just about raw power. This PC also offers a range of features that enhance the overall gaming experience. From easy upgradability to a user-friendly interface, HP has thought of everything to make your gaming life easier. And budget isn't a major concern. The Omen 30L is a solid choice. However, it's important to consider your budget before making a purchase. High-end gaming PCs like the Omen 30L come with a hefty price tag, so make sure it aligns with your financial plans. If you're willing to invest in a top-tier gaming experience, this PC will not disappoint. The Omen 30L is a solid choice. In conclusion, the HP Omen 30L offers a compelling package for serious gamers. Its combination of performance, design, and user-friendly features make it a standout option in the high-end gaming PC market. So, to buy or not to buy? If you're looking for a powerful, stylish, and reliable gaming machine, the answer is clear. The HP Omen 30L is worth every penny.